next we are discussing what is a surge tank and different types of surge tank. So what is a surge tank? A surge tank is defined as a small reservoir in which water level rises or falls to reduce the pressure variation so that the steady flow of water is supplying to all load. That is, when a sudden closure of valve happens, sudden reduction of rate of flow in the penstock will occur. ഇപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് പെൻസ്റ്റോക്ക് എന്താണെന്ന് അറിയാം. ഇറ്റ്സ് എ ലോങ് പൈപ്പ്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ പെട്ടെന്നൊരു വാൾവ് ക്ലോസ് ചെയ്യണം. അപ്പോൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? Sudden reduction of rate of flow in the penstock will occur and it may lead to water hammer in pipeline. Due to this, pipe may burst. So to avoid this situation, surge tanks are provided in the upstream of the pipeline, and the surge tank acts as a reservoir when the valves are closed and it acts as a supply tank when the valves are opening. Okay, that is the purpose for surge tank. That is, we have already discussed, when sudden closure of valve happens, sudden reduction of rate of flow in the penstock will occur. Okay, and it may lead to water hammer in the pipeline, and sometimes the pipe may burst. And to avoid this situation, surge tank are provided in the upstream of the pipeline, and it acts as a reservoir when the valves are closed, and it acts as a supply tank when the valves are opening. And next is to reduce rapid velocity fluctuation in the pipeline during starts and shutdown of a turbine. So this is the main purpose we are using surge tank. And location of surge tank. The location of surge tank is very important, and the surge tanks are located near to the powerhouse to reduce length of penstock, and no limitation regarding surge tank height, location at which flat sloped conduit and steep sloped penstock meets. Next is different types of surge tank. There are mainly three types of surge tank. That is, first is simple surge tank, next restricted orifice surge tank, third is differential surge tank. Now we can first discuss what is simple surge tank. It's a figure of a simple surge tank, and it's like vertical pipe in which is connected between penstock, this penstock, and it's a long pipe. It's connected in between penstock and turbine generator, and these are constructed with greater height, and supports are also provided to hold the tank. Next is restricted orifice surge tank. This is the figure of a restricted orifice, and it consists an orifice between pipeline and surge tank, and this orifice is also called as throttle. So it is also called throttle surge tank. So restricted orifice surge tank is also called throttled surge tank. This throttle or orifice may have very small diameter. So we have not know what is an orifice. Orifice is a small opening. Okay, restricted orifice surge tank is also called throttled surge tank because orifice is also called throttle. And if the water overflows, it should enter into the surge tank through this orifice. The water overflow, the water should enter into the surge tank through this orifice, and because of small diameter, friction loss developed and excess pressure in the main pipeline is destroyed, and this will create quickly a retarding or accelerating head in the conduit. And to reduce the water hammer effect, that we have already discussed what is water hammer, and the diameter of orifice should be well designed for the full rejection of load by the turbine. And the next is differential surge tank. This is a figure of a differential surge tank, and in case of differential surge tank, an internal riser is fixed. This internal riser is fixed in the tank, and this riser have very small diameter through which water enters into the riser when it overflows, and the riser also contain an annular ports at its lower end. This is the figure of a differential surge tank. So these are the main types of surge tank. That is, first is simple surge tank, restricted orifice surge tank, and differential surge tank. Thank you.